A while ago, I shared a code snippet of how you could add a contrast checker into your WordPress admin sidebar. So in settings, you would have contrast checker and it would take you to this page. This was pretty damn good in what it did. It allowed you to test out your background and your foreground colors, especially with checking if you were adhering to the WCAG 2.1 AA or AAA standards. So you would go in and pick your colors, hit save colors, and then it would basically tell you what is your ratio and are you compliant. And if you weren't compliant, what color should you be thinking about for your foreground? At the minute, we're using white. It's saying you're going to have to darken up your colors if you want to hit the standard, and it gave you the hex codes. This was good, but I've gone and made it a whole lot better. The link is in the video description for you to get the new super improved contrast checker. So here it is, the new super boosted contrast check, and it's giving you a whole load more information. I'll explain it in a moment. What you get down here are some tips for what you should do for AA and AAA. So larger fonts of 24 can pass the AA rule. If you need to test for non-text elements, so say you've got like a button and you've got a white page background, just increase the font size to 24. You're probably wondering, hold on, what do you mean increase the font? We just go and pick colors. Stay with me on this. And it also gives you some explanation about how some items don't need to pass any contrast ratio, like logo branding or inactive or disabled UI components. I also clarify a little bit here about how normal text is less than 24 pixel, larger text is a minimum of 24, and what the ratios are. But let's just jump up over here. So this is now a tighter version, and it's been improved as to what we had before. I've got two colors over here. You can go and pop in your hex code over there, or you can go and pick a color manually, drag around to what you want. Now, whenever you pick a color, it will actually automatically change this button for you. If I go and pick a red, can you see the button changed over there? Let's pop it back to green. And the same with your foreground color as well. So I've tried to make this be super intelligent and interactive. So this at the moment is not compliant to the AA or AAA standard. We are getting told no because the ratio is 1.88. We are then told down here that if you wanted to keep the background color as it was, the foreground color would have to be this hex code to hit the AA standard. But if you wanted to keep the foreground as white, then your background to hit the AA would need to be this particular green. And I've done the same for the AAA as well. So if you want to hit the AAA standard, you got to take this hex code, go over here, pop it in, and you will now see that now you are going to pass the AA and the AAA, because AAA is always a more extreme version, right? If you hit AAA, you're definitely passing the AA. Now, what about the font size? Let me go and pick one of my favorite colors. So for that pinkish red color, I'm failing the AA and the AAA, but I'm on the 23 font. If I drop it down, the button shrinks and I'm still failing. But if I go and change this to be 24, button has obviously gone bigger because the font is bigger and we are now AA compliant. Why? Why was it failing at 23 but okay at 24? Literally just 1 pixel difference because it's the same color over there. The ratio is still 3.91. That is what it was before. But if we go down here for large text, 3.1 for large text is okay to hit the AA standard. But if you are below 24 pixel, you've got to be 4.5 ratio to 1. So the size of your font can make a difference. Now, this is a code snippet. You go and add it to the code snippet plugin. You just go in, drop it in, copy paste it in, activate it. And you will now have this visible inside your WordPress dashboard as a contrast checker. There are online tools out there for you, but this just makes it a whole lot more versatile. And again, remember, if I wanted to be the AAA standard, but I wanted to keep my white font, then I would use this background color to hit the AAA standard. Or I could go back down to say 23 and it will now say no, your ratio is 3.91. but you got to be 4.5 to 1. So that would then mean I need to either change my foreground color to be like a very darkish, blackish color, or I need to change my background color to at least be a AA. That is now available for you to go and use for free. So that is a free tool to help you with your web accessibility.